Today I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing and a Walmart box unboxing. I know I said I was going to try everything on my face as we go, but I just feel like that took like a really long time last time, and maybe people don't really necessarily want to see it on my face. So I'm just going to talk about each product individually and try to give as much information about the product as I can. So we'll just get started with BoxyCharm, and then we'll go on to Walmart. And as always, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. First up is the Glow recipe. I did choose this as my choice for this box. And this is by Glow Recipe. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It says it's calming and hydrating. It says it's supposed to give you a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. It has banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, which I love cica products because my skin can get really sensitive sometimes. And this is worth $39. Next up is this wet brush cleansing system, or cleaning system, with silicone scrubbing pad. And I guess you just open it up and there's like a soap in here, and you're supposed to wet your brush with water, swirl it on the soap pad here, and it creates a lather, and then you just sweep your brush back and forth to clean it. And then there's a little silicone pad in here too that's attached to the back of the lid. And this is $15. Next up is this Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. For me, I don't really like rose too much because I do tend to sometimes get like really sensitive or allergic to it. But it depends on how like strong the scent is. So I'm going to spray it on the back of my hand just to see if I can smell. To me, I don't honestly smell rose. Maybe like after you spray it, but I didn't really smell too much rose. I don't really smell much of a scent at all. And this has antioxidants in it, and it's supposed to lock in your makeup for 16 hours. And this is $22. Next up we have the 1111 Skin. That was open in my box. 1111, I think it, or is it 111 Skin, or 111 Skin. This is the Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel. It's an interesting package. It's supposed to be good for wrinkles and lines that you have on your face, and it's supposed to keep the elasticity around your eyes and your lips, so you can use it on your eyes, your lips, any wrinkles that you have. It has a really interesting applicator, and it looks like you pump it. Just gonna put a little bit. It's like a, it's right here. It's like a gel texture. I'm gonna rub it in. Yeah, it's like a gel, but it's very, very, very moisturizing. And it is very scented, like a perfume kind of scent. And that's $140. And last, we have the Hydrating Lip Oil. It's by Cab. And it's a pretty huge lip oil. This is like the biggest lip oil I've ever saw, especially like the doe foot applicator on this lip oil. It's huge. Like, look at that. It's pretty big. And this is $20. So altogether my box was $236. So not bad at all. I believe their boxes are $25 for a BoxyCharm. Alright, next up we'll go into the Walmart box. So the Walmart box is $6.98, and you get it seasonally. It's everything you can find at Walmart and Walmart.com, so it's just Walmart related. So like drugstore makeup you could get in this, you know, any body washes, things like that. Anything that's basically sold at Walmart. So first up on top I see a sample, and you do get samples sometimes. This is the Tanologist Face and Body Drops. They gave you a little sample right here. So here's what it looks like on the back. It kind of looks like it's like an oil, and it's supposed to tan you. It reminds me of those ones that Sephora sells. I can't remember the name of those. And that's obviously, you can't put a price on that really because it's just a little tiny sample. Next up we have this scrunchie. It's a pretty huge scrunchie here. It says Wild Primrose, and it's by the Scrunchie brand. This is $4.97, but it could also be $7.97, so I guess maybe it depends on if you get it in store or online, because I know the prices differ sometimes. Next up is these Dashing Diva nail gels. They're just like a stick-on, and then you have to file them down. These are $6.97, and it's supposed to last 14 days. This is a brand that I actually wanted to try, not necessarily stick-on nails, because the reason why I wear fake nails anyways is because I like the shape of them. My nails don't really grow, so I'd rather have like a fake, you know, stick-on nail rather than having these. These are nice maybe if you have like really long nails that you can file into the shape, but mine don't grow like that. They break a lot. But I do want to try this brand's stick-on nails because they have them just like the Impress does. Next up is my favorite toothpaste. This is Hello toothpaste. I've been using this probably for like a year now. I suffer from canker sores. If anyone suffers from canker sores, this is great for that. I know that they say that SLS and normal toothpaste can cause canker sores, and since I've been cutting that out, and I use my Orajel mouthwash like pretty much every day, that's really cut down the canker sores a lot. And this is a really good product, I believe. And the full price is $3.99, which is half of that, so we'll say $2. Next up is the Bliss Cream to Water Hydrator for all skin types. This is a moisturizer. It says it's ultra lightweight, and it's an intense yet weightless hydration. And it is, I believe, sealed. Most of their stuff is sealed, like, yeah, can't get into it. But I'm gonna guess it's like a basic gel moisturizer. And the full size of this is $19.96, and this is half of that, so we'll put $9. And then last is a charcoal toothbrush by Hello, which I don't use manual toothbrushes. I actually use electric. It just works better on my teeth. I guess I'll open it up so we can see the shape. I think I've seen these before. I think I might have got one in my Walmart box before. Oh yeah, it's just like a black charcoal toothbrush. And it's plastic, the handle. And that is $3.99. So altogether the box was $26.93. So not really too bad. For $6.98, that's what you pay. So that will be all for the unboxings today. Stay tuned for the rest of my videos for this week, and as always, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it.